guys, it's Man. Now back with another video. I've been hearing chainsaw noises in my backyard in the forest, and I decided to look for chainsaw noises. So today we are going to be trying to find the chainsaw killer, and I got my trusty thingamajigger here. And we are going to be hunting this murder trucker down. Let's do this. So, I'm in the forest right now. As you can see. Car. I think it's gone. I think it's gone. Hisky! You think I'll be hunting a chainsaw killer down? Nope. Not today. Nope, not today. Nope, not today.